Good morning. Welcome to the online class of class 12. So, we will start the chapter matrices. Already we have done 6 classes of matrices. So, today we will continue with the same chapter matrices. So, today we will go to the new topic, that is the addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Addition of matrices, when we can add two matrices. Two matrices can be added even only if they are of the same order. Their order must be same order. If A is a matrix of order, suppose m by n, then B should also be a matrix. So B should also be of same order m by n. Suppose A is equal to Aij m by n, and B is also a matrix which elements are Bij. It is also the same order m by n. Then the matrix C, which we get by adding A plus B, is also of the order m by n. This matrix C is also of the order m by n. This one you have to add Aij, this one you add Bij, this one is Cij. Orders are same. This one is also m by n, this one is also m by n, this one is also m by n. Then we add these two, Aij plus Bij, m by n. So we get Cij, which is the sum of the two matrices A and B of order m by n. So C is the sum of the matrix A and B whose elements are given by Cij, and this Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Now let us do some example to understand this one. This is just the theory. You note it down. This theory is very much important. You note it down. Suppose A is a matrix 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 2 rows, 3 columns. Then B is also a matrix. Suppose 1, 0, minus 1, 5, 0, 3. This is also a matrix of order 2 by 3, 2 rows, 3 columns. Then we have to find out A plus B. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 1, 0, minus 1, 5, 0, 3. Let us give it here 2. Then how to add this one? This element and this element we will add. That is 2 plus 1. Then 3 is here, 0 is there, so 3 plus 0. Here 5 is there, here minus 1 is there, so 5 plus minus 1, that is 5 minus 1. Then 6 and here 5, 6 plus 5. Here 7, here 2, so here 7 plus 2. Here 8 and here 3, so 8 plus 3. So we add the corresponding element of the two matrix. Here A11 we will add with B11, A12 we will add with B12, A13 we will add with B13. So A11 we will add with B11, A12 we will add with B12, and so on. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 plus 5 is 11, here 9, and here 8 plus 3 is 11. So this is also a matrix of order 2 by 3. So this is the sum of the two matrix. How to add two matrix? Suppose we change again the matrix. Let A be 2, 3, 5, 6, and B we will take, this is a square matrix of order 2. So B should also be a square matrix of order 2. This is a square matrix of order 2. Now how to add A and B? 2, 3, 5, 6. Here 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. 2 and 1 we will add. 3 and minus 1 we will add. 5 and minus 1 we will add. And 6 and 1 we will add. So we get here 3, 2, 4 and 7. So this is also a square matrix of order 2. So this is the addition of two matrices. Now if A and B are not of same order, suppose A and B are not of same order, then what we will get? Then A plus B is not defined. If A and B are not of same order, then A plus B is not defined. Then A plus B is not defined. Please note it down. This is very important. This is very important concept, that if A and B are not of same order, then A plus B is not defined. Again, some of the properties are there which it satisfies. A plus B is always equal to B plus A. You already know 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1. So in matrix addition also this property is satisfied. That is, commutative property is satisfied. In matrix addition, commutative property is always satisfied. Commutative property is satisfied. Next, A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C is always equal. So this property is known as associative property. Associative property. This property is always satisfied in case of matrix addition. Third number property is A plus null matrix. Null matrix is represented by O, and O plus A will always be equal to A. This is the identity property. This is the identity property, or you can say identity. O is the identity. This null matrix is the identity in matrix addition. In matrix addition, O is always the identity element. Now, identity element are those elements which, on doing the operation, which get the same element. Suppose 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0 we get 2, or 0 plus 2 we get 2. So with 0 you add any number you add with 0. Suppose 0 plus 5 we get 5, which is equal to 5 plus 0. So 0 is the identity in case of algebraic sum. In case of algebraic sum, 0 is the identity. So you have got in lower class that identity element means if A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a, then this 0 is the identity. In case of addition, 0 is the identity. In case of multiplication, 1 is the identity. Any number you multiply with 1, we get the same number. So 1 is the identity element in case of algebraic multiplication, and 0 is the identity in case of algebraic sum. So in case of metric sum, here algebraic 0, algebraic here 0 means in case of matrix it will come null matrix. Algebraic 0 is equal to null matrix. We have matrix, this side I write matrix. In case of matrix, this algebraic 0 is equal to the null matrix, and algebraic 1 is the identity matrix. These two things you have to remember. Next thing, that algebraic 0 and null matrix are similar, and algebraic 1 and identity matrix are always similar. So hope you have understood well about the addition of matrices. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me over the phone. So you have to understand this one well. In your book also it is given, all the properties are given. You please go through the book once after watching this video. So thank you.